Good morning Year 3 and welcome to your Tuesday's maths lesson. So yesterday you were working hard on multiplying a whole number by 10 and really understanding that you were making that number 10 times bigger so that the tens unit became the hundreds, the units became the tens, and we were adding that 0 on to create that new number that was 10 times bigger. So yesterday was just a lesson to warm our brains up, to get us back into the thinking of multiplication and understanding that we've made that number 10 times bigger. So today, just for you, Soph, because we all know that you're the queen of smile, we're going to do smile multiplication, and we are going to multiply by 10 again, but using the smile method, which you are all brilliant at. So our first question is 3 times 50. The first thing we need to do is look at our numbers and do the times table bit. Remember that you are swapping units for tens. So it's going to do 3 times 5. We're going to make those numbers smile big and wide. And 3 times 5, quick as that, remember, is 15. We're then going to count the zeros in the question. In this question there's only 1, and we're going to add that in so that the answer becomes 150. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 50 becomes 150. Our second question is 6 times 30. So again, we're going to make the 6 and the 3 smile. So 6 times 3 should be as quick as that, 18. There is 1 0 again in this question, so we're going to add that on, so the answer is 180. 3 times 6 is 18, so 3 times 60 is 180, but actually this one is 6 times 30, which is also 180. It's the inverse. Let me just go through that again in case I've just confused you. I'm really sorry. So 6 times 30, 6 times 3 is 18, 1 0, we add it on, so it becomes 180. So 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 30 becomes 180. So have a go at the next 8 questions, just like yesterday. We're getting into a bit of a rhythm now, hopefully. So do the next 8 questions independently, and then you have some word problems and, of course, mastery and challenge there, as well as your warm-ups to get those brains ticking along and hopefully you're getting quicker and more accurate at those warm-up sessions as well. So first question we've got, this sounds like my type of party. There are 5 friends and they each have 60 sweets each. 60 sweets at a party, that's crazy. Sounds like one of your parties you've described to me once, but I won't say which person said. I've just had a remembering of somebody creeping down the stairs in the middle of a play date and getting into the kitchen, but I won't tell. So 5 friends, 60 sweets each. How many sweets would we need to provide for this party? So I'm going to look and swap the 60 for units, so it's going to become a 6. So 5 times 6, I'm going to make them smile. 5 times 6 is 30. Again, there's only 1 0 in this question, so I'm going to add that on. So 30 add a 0 is 300. So 5 times 6 is 30, and 5 times 60 is 300. Have a go, practice, and tomorrow we will do some more multiplication. Well done, Year 3. I'm proud of you. Keep it up.